Hi everyone, let's play a game and discover some fabulous objects. Let's start now. Butterfly. Let's see what's coming next. Helicopter, so we can go high in the sky. What else? A bed, so we can sleep at night. Now, yummy strawberry. I love strawberries. They're so yummy. Oh, and an ice cream, even better. So many flavors. The bicycle, so I can ride my bike. And now, a motorbike. That goes even faster than a bicycle. But it's so slow to have a turtle. How slow a turtle is. The car is a bit better. And then finally, let's finish on a carrot. What else are we gonna have and what else can we discover? Let's have another round. Let's enjoy with the ballerina. So gracious she is when she dances. The bear, very scary but cuddly animal. Now, a bus. So we can go to different places in the city. A dolphin in the water. How gracious they are. And now we have a lion in Africa. Wow, they roar so loudly. Oh, yummy cake with the strawberries that we saw earlier. Now what do we have? Oh, a butterfly. My favorite. It's so beautiful, all these colors on the wings. Oh, and now let's discover the next one, the fish, making loads of bubbles in the water. And let's finish off with a book so we can read stories.